你念起来好像泰国人，他名人的名字，我听起来好像是泰国人，你神经
OK，
病。
你看他姓名我念对吗 ？Conjuration Sativa Kuna Sirada。
萨瓦迪卡。
错啦 Congratulations on Saktiva Guna Segaran.
Hi, I'm Sakti,
Hi, I'm Deepa.
and we are the proud owners of this house. This house is designed by Xavier from ExQsite Interior Design.
The theme of the house is to have a more open and brighter house, because our previous house, we would say it's a more darker theme, and with our kid that came into the mix, we felt that it was not a very ideal environment for her.
Yeah, our interior designers were very proactive. Right from the start, when we brought our floor plan to them, they already started doing the vision board. I think within 2 weeks, they already gave us some drawings of how the house would be. My favorite feature of the house is the entrance. The previous owners bought the access corridor and we transformed it into like a very inviting entrance with peranakan tiles.
We didn't want the toilet entrance to be via the kitchen. We wanted it out in the main hall. So the shift of the toilet entrance, these kind of things, we do need the expertise of an IV, because they will know what are some of the pipes hidden in the wall, whether we can hack this wall, whether we can move the door. That's where they came in to help us.
I came to know about Renopedia through Facebook. Renopedia is a very good platform. Straight away narrows down all the IDs for you. They match you to different interior designers based on some questionnaires and what kind of interior design you're looking for. And that's how we actually found our interior designer. We would save the amount for a rainy day.
Not to rush into one ID first, look through their reviews, see if they have multiple reviews, and look at their most recent review as well. Look at their photos of their past projects, see if their design concepts is something that you're looking for.
Visit Renopedia for more information about interior design. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.